Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine, and I am good here in this crucial period of COVID 19. It's been long that we have had any interaction, so I am glad that DPS Jagdalpur has come out with these online classes, which is giving us a very wonderful opportunity. So, first of all, let me first summarize the chapter and then we will go through the explanation part. India is located in the south central part of the continent of Asia, bordering the Indian Ocean and its two arms extending in the form of Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, and also provided links to its neighboring countries. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world and has moved forward displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry and technology. It has also achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 years, which means in terms of fundamental of the country's economy, its inflation has come down from over 10%. It has been transformational in sense that a very number of initiatives have been taken by the government to address and correct the imbalance in economic growth and development. Next point is, it lies in the northern hemisphere and its mainland extends between the latitude and longitude. Here the first question arises, what do you mean by latitude? An imaginary circle parallel to the equator is called latitude. Our next question is, what do you mean by longitude? Longitude means a measure of relative position east or west on the Earth's surface given in degrees from a certain meridian, usually prime meridian at Greenwich, which has a longitude of 0 degree. Next point is, the Tropic of Cancer divide the country into two equal parts, that is subtropical zone and tropical zone. Again, next question is, what do you mean by Tropic of Cancer? The parallel of latitude 23.5 degree north of the equator marking the northern boundary is called Tropic of Cancer. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. But in 2004, it got submerged under the sea during the tsunami. Next point, the total landmass of India is 3.28 million square kilometer for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world, and also has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometer, and the total length of the coastline is 7,516.6 kilometers.